Hey guys, how are y'all doing? Hopefully you had a great Easter weekend. This is your next assignment. I want you to read through all of these PowerPoint slides. You'll notice that there is a little um, microphone piece where you're going to click on it and then you'll push play and then it'll kind of give you instruction about what's going on for each slide. It is kind of a progression of Van Gogh's work. You should have known about Van Gogh through class. We've talked about him several times. He's the guy that kind of went crazy and cut off his ear and sent it to his lover. Um, Here are a few of his artworks. The first ones were drawings. These are paintings. Notice how each one of them still has a little microphone in the corner. This one you'll probably recognize because it's the one of his most famous artworks. And then you'll have a time lapse of San Antonio. Now, I want you to take into consideration all of the colors that you see, all of the movement that you see, and then you'll kind of recognize the same movement in Van Gogh's artwork by his brush strokes. Notice how they're very short and little, just like the ones that you'll see from the car lights or the reflections in the water. Um, if you have any questions, just email me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I miss you guys. Hopefully, y'all are doing well. Love y'all.